For all on a sound clash, live DJs, battles, clash and verses, border clash, number one.
Would you like to introduce yourself, please? Sorry.
Well, I am Ninja Man, the original fronted goatee Dan Gargan, right name Desmond Valentine. If it's killing, I'm willing. Yeah.
So how does it feel to be a Sting this year?
I feel very good, because I'm on turnover a car with me on Christmas Day. If you notice, all my teeth broke out.
What happened to your teeth?
Me in an accident, a car turn over with me.
Okay.
I hit up my face on the car, lick out my teeth and all them things there.
So you're lucky to be here?
Lucky to be here
So
today.
you look fantastic. I love the outfit.
I would look better if I was in the accident.
And you look great. So how is it performing? Have you performed? How is it performing tonight? How was the audience?
You know, like you've been away from your home for a long time.
Yes.
And come back to your home.
Yes.
It's just like being back home. So
Have you been abroad?
I'm like the birds. I'm on wings. Always keep flying.
Okay, us guys love you in London. How does it feel when you're performing in London? Is the audience different from the audience in Jamaica?
No, you know.
No?
Yeah.
It's,
Just the same welcome as Jamaica.
yes, because there's quite a lot of West
I'm an
Indians
artist
in-
that wherever I go in the world,
Yes.
I get the same respondent because I give the same performance, and my performance is always with the best.
Absolutely.
So I get the best response. That's what I'm
Absolutely.
saying. Yeah.
Would you describe yourself as a political artist?
No.
No? Would you like to expand a bit more? Or am I
Well,
getting
I'm
a bit
just a
too personal?
neutral artist who stand up for justice.
Absolutely.
Yeah? I want to see that who deserve right gets it right and who is wrong gets it wrong.
Absolutely. And that's
Yeah?
your philosophy?
Yes.
Yes, and you stand
And
by
I don't
that?
care who you are or what you may be. If you are Mr. Dog, you're a dog for me.
Yes, that's right.
Yes.
Okay. So is it very difficult when other people perceive your music and your lyrics as being political and being anti-establishment?
Well, they don't really pursue my music as political. They more pursue it as violent music. But who are they to condemn my music as a violent music?
Absolutely.
When they have the movies that not only talking about violence, but show you how to do violence.
Absolutely.
Look at Commando, look at Rambo. Even look at the movie that I act named Is It Worth It? Rude Boy. Even Jimmy Cliff movie. All those movies teaching you about guns, how to rob, how to shoot, how to deal with drug war affair. And they are not licking about against the movies, but they are fighting against our reggae, because reggae is one of the strongest things that a black man has power. So they decide not to give us our power. So what they try to do is to diminish our power and take us down from the standard of life where we are coming from. They try to degrade our music. But what I have to tell them, not it yet rise again. From the mystics of tomorrow, we say we rise again. Ain't no stopping reggae music, so they could say our violence some more. Saddam, George Bush, Bin Laden,
Yes.
Bill Clinton,
Yes.
all those people, Tony Blair, are violent people.
Absolutely, and I agree with you. So do you think it's important to get these messages in your music? And do you think it's very important to let young black males out there know what is going on?
I'm not here to teach young black males alone, you know.
And
I'm here to
females.
teach black and whites, young and old. The Indian, up to the animal, as long as they can understand what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm here to teach everyone truths and rights.
And is
facts
it about
life.
political consciousness?
We born politics. Because politics is either you're up or you're down.
That's right, yes.
You understand? A politics signify pushing down another man to stand strong. And there's no such thing, because the Creator gave us the world and so we should unite tonight.
So do you think as an artist, as a role model, do you think it's important to discourage young people from using guns, from being violent?
Yeah,
I know
it's very important
difficult
because
they've got other inputs, but as
At
an
the ending of the
artist-
day, crime does not pay. And I can tell you from experience. That's why I look on them and say, why don't you surrender our guns? Those guns. There's no sense in killing anyone. Because the people are dying, the children are crying, and blood is all over the land. Election is coming, the fear is now sounding, corruption's the highest we've seen. Politicians campaigning, the shadows negotiating, and the arms are flowing easily. The go-go shops growing, the ghetto expanding, and guns all over our street. Some thinking of running, but the visa's not coming, and the poor left to suffer and weep. Oh, why don't we surrender our guns.
Fear on the sound clash, live DJs, battles, clash and versus, border clash, number one.
In the Israelites bombing, chaos in the Middle East. Anyway,
it's great to have you here. I'm glad
blessed,
you're here with us tonight. Would you like to big up Magnum Sting 2003, please?
I have to tell them, say, yeah, hear me, Sting 2003, everything's killing, I'm willing, and anybody pass me, yeah, them dead front of my kitchen. Goodbye, I beg your pardon.
Thank you very much. Can I just take this off, please? Thank you. Have a great evening.
I don't think on them for know that. They put no come get them face trap out to some dirty people. Nice people, come on man face trap out there. What do you think someone there no? You got be some one. Ninja man will deal with it. Ninja man now the rest come about to deal with it. I keep it up on the captain. I tell him come here done. When I call him son, I say blood clan. What's your name? What's your name?
If you want to call it, then if you don't have a clash, it's about one system. I don't want to have group, but the young man has go on like that. So the joking. I don't kill him and then kill him. I don't want to. No, Sting. None of them can face him. Lyrics after the lyrics. No. When the man come and he want to remember.
Ninja man a mascot. Love him lion. Ninja man a go to him and this guy man.
That thing keep up on blood.
And the bar name response Ninja man from long.
Super Cat Clash of Ninja and that never go on.
Super get a bad.
Cabra Clash of Ninja and that no go on. Shabba Clash and that no go on. So I got Red Dragon and them man they clash and that no go on. I don't know me I got sting in it.
Man, mash up the whole of them for a year too. Let's set down for the stage rest.
You can't chill 5 minutes.
Him not want the peanut stop sell.
It's the clash still. Who wants the clash because who want to know wicked up. But it's the people them too, like a plan them a plan too. Then they give the man no chance to clash them start playing back line. That's how the hype start, you see. I want to know wicked.
Remember that.
Sting, remember that. Ninja man.
Relax, man. Come on, man. Come on, man!
You're my youth. Go in, man. Go in.
Richard, can I come in and test? Can I come in and test?
Go in.
Nika! Then, you can't see when the shutter come through. Make them up and down, the man wanna run far.
Richard, this is what I have to do. Go!
That's the man, the mash up the man. No,
I'm just keeping a low profile, man. I want to move, because I can't
Just stay behind it.
I know, a nice war, you know. Because it's a DJ and I'm going to make
You know that boy, they can't go back and arcade, let me see him. You know that?
Jesus Christ, me a go back and play. Come here, wake up on the gunshot.
Big that thing, God.
Now wake up with gunshot.
Disrespect them thing there. If I respect I held and I business. Lyrics.
Cartel can't walk again. Any boy I put my back him, tell him kill Ninja Man this morning. That me a tell a boy. Anyhow no make me come off a Portmore ground. And alive. Bumbo go on in a Jamaica. Because this a walk with me cake and look for every boy. That me a tell some boy. Big up my camera. Big up my camera. One more DJ.
Disrespect them people.
The man is doing for the DJ.
Look at the camera and come and chat to my friend. I'm calling a chat.
Final. A long time. Let me
I'm like the free of fear to blood clap and stand up on your foot. I'm going to do this again.
come out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't see how you are.
Everything way in front.
Back to me again. That means you get shot like this. One of the blood clots what man them out there, they can't find woman. No man can. Someone feel long round never find woman. When I'm not dead today, because I have more four going over here and make man come little passage and nobody don't give me shot on. Now, pussy. Someone have got our come up, kill one of them before they don't know are dead. One of them gonna dead. Maybe you will not have problem with one. No man about all bumper all in the road. Yes, we are one.
That's the people in Nana Principle. I want him on the earth, my man. You know, come from a little bit of days, you know. Girlfriend, this shouldn't happen. This shouldn't happen, man. And the best show worldwide. Nobody not talk about no other show but Sting. You hear me? Europe, Japan, everywhere. People leave from there to come here to see Sting. And this is how them behave. Mrs. Sting, they are St. Elizabeth. Sting they overseas. And are the best. So why Jamaica will originate from them for flap it out? Real thing, man.
You can't go on next week.
Ninja, watch now.
Don't play up here. It can't go on next week. You hear me say? Don't play up here. Don't play up here. Don't say nothing. Me say, bad man like this. Hold on. Me say, don't play up here. You hear me? Don't play up here. Look at this. Play up here. All right.
To the end. No Ninja Man, no Sting. Don't put it already.
No head not upon Ninja Man.
Remember, him build this.
99 cool.
Yeah.
No head not upon
I respect Ninja Man. I respect Cartel. But sometimes my man want a lyrical battle. Dan dog and keep anything.
Yo, I'm not even love. Nothing about it.
I know, I love that Sting. Because the man come and ready for the whole alliance.
That's the real. The real.
Yo,
Real Ninja Man.
If they want a lyrical warfare, I will take it to them. If they want a physical warfare, I will take it to them. And none of them can face me alone. They have to come with gang. None of them, from Bounty Vibes Cartel, the whole of them. Any one of them willing, tell them to stick up the band to go back up there. Lyrically, and see if them not dead. And if they want me and them fight physical, let's go and do it. Because this is boxing night leading to a killing day.
Let me ask the people them. One war. One war for see.
Lyrical war.
You can never come to the stage and you bring off war. The man never push up. Take argument and you bring back argument. I say, you know something about now.
Ninja, the eyes of the people.
Let me tell you this. I go in competition with bad man like Super Cat. And Super Cat have a lyrical warfare. Me and Super Cat have a shootout machine.
Don't leave.
But let me tell you something. When an artist resolve to violence on a stage show when a competition, that simply means you're a weak artist, and the competition that you're entering, you don't have the strength and the lyrical capability to stand up to who you are. I'm not afraid of them, and I will take one more lick and kill the whole of them.
Ninja.
Let me tell you something.
The eyes of the people.
You know, so two of my civil fans around me, I did think of a real gun war. I did invite the prison in my life. But since my fans them come around me and say, no, Gargan, I will tell them, you know, lick me and kill me, I can kill you.
Lyrical. All right. What do you want to see Ninja do?
You want to Ninja Man kill Cartel lyrically because we do him not much.
I want Cartel. I want Vibes Cartel, I want Wayne Marshall, I want Predator, I want Mad Cobra, we are back them, I want everybody now. There is no partiality that.
And tell them to come now.
I tell them somebody dead. Predator, me no want them. Listen this. There where them I run from. There's a thing like this. They say, bad man no left in Glock 40. Should they see me in a war and start it? Well, me I go fuck up the alliance party. Cause gunman business me start to tell Bounty. Big gun me boss come meet me Glock 40. Man I kill people from century to century. This is why Cartel friend them. Cartel and them friend they lick with buckle. This is why him lick me. Because in the second verse, me say, big gun me bust beat me Mac 90. If you this, you dead before you reach 20. Me magazine load and your gun, you no empty. Say this your warrior, so me start. You somebody dead. Predator me no want your head. Your head no valuable, I'm not less for valuable. Somebody dead.
So Ninja, we're going to deal with this still lyrically.
Tell them, say, them are dead before February.
I hear you.
Bounty killer, your life is mine. Because you can't come over and say you idiot soldier them when I have no gun and I fling back them and a real bad man out the road.
Alright, Santa. Yo, man, fuck you. I want to go outside. Yo, pheasant. Yes, enough.
Go on. They are all it.
Yeah, if you say about you, go on.
Boy, I don't love what go on. But at the real show, Sting. Everybody know.
No, sir, I don't know real show.
Why not the real show?
Man, them fuck it up. The man fuck up the big man thing.
Who did? Who mash it up?
Who mash it up? Who mash it up?
Say the name. Then you know if you say what you can't say then.
You play for the alliance, you know. You see me, I say? Straight. Man, they mash up the man thing.
No physical war, lyrical war.
Nuff it. Everyone like it and want to talk, you know.
Yeah?
And your name Nuff, you're supposed to Nuff in everything.
Just the MC.
No, man, you can Nuff in
I bring
everything. You Nuff in everything. You do up there?
I bring on the flavor. Whenever I expect bad behavior.
Long time. Straight.
Jamaica.
Bad people, ruin the show. Came all the way from New York and ruined the show. Bad people.
Yeah. So you put them?
Bad people.
Remember to see the parents, be the night. And it done there, son.